Right, I need a favour, Phil. I've made a mistake. I've unloaded all this car out here. I need somebody to be in charge, to be head of security for Peugeot 504. It's a very senior position. You are basically front of house for Peugeot. Do you want the gig?
No.
Well, I just need you to stay here for a bit. I'll only be like 2 or 3 hours. I've got to go off and do some stuff.
2 or 3 hours? You're joking.
Wait there a second.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? Just making sure. There you go. Right, I'll see you in a couple of hours.
Me?
So, with Workshop Phil on guard duty, it's off to the chromers.
Typically, the Peugeot 504 is full of that stuff, chrome work, and look at the state of its shop. I am not putting that back on the car. Now, that is one of about 30 bits that I need to get chromed, and I'm going to see my mate Raj. Problem is, they're always busy, and if you can do it, Tim, it'll take a month. So I'm thinking of a blag that's going to get me front of the queue, going old school.
Hello? Tim? Tim?
Yeah. Mate,
What
don't
the
ask.
hell's happened to
Don't
you?
even ask, man. Sunbed accident. Goose fat. Goose myself up. Bang. Burnt out. Burning.
What can I do for you now?
Now listen. I need a favour. I need that thing re-chroming. I know you're busy, but I'm wondering if you might just be able to bust it through quick. Honestly, please don't say no, because I've come down, you should have seen the struggle I've gone through to get here.
Tim, you do this to me all the time, but because you're a friend, I'm going to help you out.
Sweet, you're a legend.
Come on.
The only problem
Can you get in?
No, I can't move. I'm proper stuck. Thanks, man. I love you.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much for this. Thank you
No
so
problem,
much for this.
Tim.
I really appreciate it.
Let's try and get you through here
Helped me in a
safely.
very poorly manner. What's
So,
this then?
Well, yeah, this is the electro clean tank.
Right.
So we're going to place this item in here.
What is that?
That's a caustic-based solution.
Right.
That's removing all of the dirt and grime that could potentially be on the item.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, so how long do I need to wait here like this?
Just a little while longer.
Right.
Are you hot?
Yeah, man, steaming.
I'm sorry. Okay, Tim. So now we need to get into the sulfuric.
Okay. Thank you so much for doing this anyway.
Don't
dude. I
worry
really
about it,
appreciate
that's
it. Right,
fine.
you're a lovely man.
We've got to get this into this tank.
Yeah.
I've got to rinse it off up there. Give me one second. Sorry.
Well, I don't
Quickly
want any
run
more
around you.
burns. Yeah.
And now we can copper plate this.
I can't see it. Right.
So we
You're
need to
doing it
get down
behind
to the
my back,
tank at the bottom.
Right. Oh, wow, look at this bubbling. It's a hot tub. Yes. That's the last thing I want to go in at the moment.
So we're putting a layer of cyanide copper on this item to give it a coating.
Right.
To allow us to put the next layer of copper on, which is an acid copper.
Right.
And that will build up the copper to quite a thick layer before we can then polish it and
Yeah.
work back the metal and then go to nickel and chrome.
And then chrome it. Now.
Okay, so that's done now, Tim. We
Okay.
can get to the next tank.
This is amazing. It's just like one long production line of different tanks.
Ooh.
And
Yes.
so what happens? Your boys come in the morning, find it all dropped in the first tank and get it all processed.
Effectively, yes. Correct.
So whatever is in the first tank is going to get done.
Yes, that's right.
Which one's the first tank? That one on my left there?
This one here on the right.
That's the first tank.
Yes.
So what's in that tank then?
So that's the hexavalent chrome tank. This is the last layer of plating that will take place. And when we finish with this, we'll rinse it off and you'll have an item finished out in chrome.
Woo! What a day.
It has been a day.
Overdoing
I think
it.
that's ready.
Really?
Yeah.
Here it is. Oh my word. Hang on, it's gone gold chrome. What's that?
Don't worry. You'll see it transform in a second.
Now what are you doing with it?
Just rinsing it.
Okay.
There you go.
My word.
On beautiful
can you put that
chrome plated.
Can you put that in my hand? Oh my word. Right, that is just phenomenal.
It's a piece of jewellery now.
Right, can I get that and get out of here?
Yeah, of course.
That is beautiful. But what's that next tank then?
That's what we call a chrome drag and a neutraliser and then a rinse. And on the bottom we've got the trivalent chrome.
Is there anything in that?
There might be. You want me to check?
Yeah, can I see something shiny and
Yeah.
nice?
1 sec.
What's that? Is that the fire alarm?
That's the fire alarm. We've got to try, let me try and get
Actually,
you
no,
out.
save yourself. Save yourself.
Tim, I'll
Save
come back
yourself.
to you.
Don't worry about me.
I'll come back to
Get
you,
your
Tim.
team out first.
I've got to come back in. Where's Cam? Go on, Abby. Yeah, but you've got to come out. We've got to see the whole crew outside. You were in the video at the start. Quick, 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 quick. Come on, come on, come on. Where's Cam? So why is he making up basically the story was when we left from here.
Hello? Anyone?
Oh, Tim, yes, that was false alarm. Thank God for that.
Say again.
It was a false alarm. There was
False
no
alarm?
fire in the building, so that's good news.
Good, nice one for getting me.
Yeah.
I know I said save yourself, but it was like,
I'm very sorry.
you know, I didn't mean it. You all right to just launch me out of here?
Of course, come on, let's go.
Thank you very much.
So how are you getting home, Tim?
Say again.
How are you going to get back home?